Are you planning a trip to Sri Lanka and thinking about renting a car, motorcycle, or a scooter? Before you start driving, there are one important things you need to know. Many visitors believe that carrying an international driving permit over their home country's driving license is enough. However, in Sri Lanka, that usually not sufficient. To drive legally, most foreign tourists must obtain a Sri Lankan temporary driving permit, also known as a recognition permit, issued by Department of Motor Traffic. In this video, I will explain exactly who needs this permit, what documents you need, where to apply, the cost, and how to receive your permit quickly and legally. Let's get started. A temporary driving permit is an official document issued by the Sri Lankan Department of Motor Traffic. It recognizes your valid foreign driving license and allows you to drive legally in Sri Lanka for a limited period. Without this permit, driving on Sri Lankan roads may result in the legal issues, insurance complications, or fines if you are stopped by the Sri Lankan police. You can apply if you are a foreign tourist visiting Sri Lanka, holding a valid passport, traveling with a valid tourist visa or entry permit, holding a valid full driving license issued by your home country. Learner, professional, temporary or probationary license are not accepted. Before applying, prepare the following documents: your original passport, a valid Sri Lankan tourist visa or entry permit, your original driving license. If your driving license is not written in English, you will also need either a certified English translation or international driving permit. Some service providers also request a recent passport size photograph, so it's a good idea to carry one. Here's something many travelers don't know: your foreign driving license should remain valid for at least 1 year from the date you apply for the permit. If your driving license expires sooner, your application may not qualify. There are two common ways. The easiest option is the Department of Motor Traffic Service counter at Bandaranaike International Airport. After the arrival in Sri Lanka, you can visit the counter inside the arrival area and apply immediately. The second option is to visit Department of Motor Traffic if needed. Applying at the airport is usually fast and most convenient choice for tourists. The application process is straightforward. Step 1. Visit the Department of Motor Traffic counter. Step 2. Submit your passport, visa and driving license. Step 3. If necessary, provide your English translation or international driving permit. Step 4. The officer checks your documents and confirms your eligible vehicle categories. Step 5. Pay the required fee. Finally, your temporary driving permit will be issued. The process usually takes only a short time if all your documents are ready. The fee depends on how long you need the permit. Currently, the official published visa 1 month 15,000 Sri Lankan rupees. More than 1 month up to 2 months 21,000 rupees. More than 2 months up to 6 months 30,000 rupees. More than 6 months up to 12 months 45,000 rupees. These fees may change over time. They always verify the list rate before the applying. The permit validity depends on your approved application period. According to the Department of Motor Traffic, temporary permits for tourists are generally issued for up to 5 months under the airport conversion scheme. While fee schedules may cover longer periods in some categories, always follow the validity printed on your permit. Your permit only covers vehicle categories that match your original driving license. Generally, tourists can obtain a permission to drive motorcycle, scooters, car, other eligible light vehicles. Heavy vehicles are not included under the standard tourist permit. Your Sri Lankan permit follows the same restriction listed on your original driving license. For example, your home license only allows automatic vehicles. Your Sri Lankan permit will also be limited to automatic vehicles. If corrective glasses are required on your original license, that condition also applies while driving in Sri Lanka. Before you drive, always carry these documents while driving: your passport, your original driving license, your temporary driving permit, and if applicable, your international driving permit. Never drive without these documents. Getting a temporary driving permit in Sri Lanka actually simple process when you have the correct documents. Applying as soon as you arrive can save you time and help you avoid legal issues during your trip. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with anyone planning to visit Sri Lanka. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey through beautiful Sri Lanka.